Specialties of the month of Ramadan, more than just fasting, with concrete examples. The month of Ramadan, the ninth month in the Hijri calendar, has privileges that go far beyond the obligation of fasting. Its features come from the Quran and Hadith, as well as the spiritual experiences of Muslims throughout the centuries. Let's describe some of these privileges in more detail, along with concrete examples. 1. Forgiveness of sins. Allah SWT opens the door of His forgiveness as wide as possible. Concrete example, a person who often lies in the month of Ramadan he truly repents, apologizes to the person he has lied to, and promises not to do it again. With his sincerity, he felt inner peace and belief in Allah's forgiveness. 2. Lailatul Qadar Night. Worship this night is better than the worship of 1,000 months. Concrete example, a mother spends the night of Lailatul Qadar praying, reading the Quran, praying to Allah SWT asking for health and safety for her family. He felt extraordinary peace and spiritual strength afterward, even though he don't know for sure which night is Lailatul Qadar. His sincerity in seeking and praying on the odd night in the last 10 days of Ramadan has brought him closer to Allah SWT. 3. Spiritual improvement. Fasting trains patience, self-control and empathy. Concrete example, a young man who usually gets angry easily, in the month of Ramadan tries hard to control his emotions. He learned to refrain from speaking harshly and doing bad things. Even when provoked, he feels greater inner peace and his relationships with others become more harmonious. Tadarus Al-Quran helps him understand the meaning of holy verses and apply them in everyday life. 4. Increase worship, prayer, reading the Quran, zikr, and alms become more solemn. Concrete example, a woman who usually only performs obligatory prayers, diligently performs the sunnah prayers of Tarawih and Tahajjud in the month of Ramadan. She also spends more time reading the Quran and remembering Allah SWT. She feels an increase in her closeness to Allah SWT and feels a deeper peace. She also sets aside some of her income to give alms to the poor. 5. Character formation. Noble characters are formed such as patience, sincerity, self-discipline, and social concern. Concrete example, a child who is usually lazy to study, in the month of Ramadan tries hard to finish memorizing the Quran and improve the quality of his prayers. Discipline in fasting and worship forms discipline in other aspects of his life. He also actively helps his parents in preparing dishes for breaking the fast and sahur, showing concern and a sense of responsibility. 6. Social growth. Ramadan strengthens social ties through breaking the fast together, sharing takjil, and zakat fitrah. Concrete example, a community holds a breaking of the fast together every day in the month of Ramadan, inviting neighbors and the poor. This strengthens the relationship and increases the sense of togetherness in their environment. They also share takjil with motorists on the highway and give zakat fitrah to those who deserve it. 7. Blessings and grace. Prayers are answered, efforts are blessed, and hearts are filled with peace. A concrete example, a businessman who is experiencing financial difficulties, in the month of Ramadan he prays for ease and smoothness of his business. He also increases his alms and donations unexpectedly. He gets unexpected sustenance and his business runs smoothly again. He feels the blessings and grace of Allah SWT in the month of Ramadan. In conclusion, the specialness of the month of Ramadan goes far beyond the obligation to fast. It is a golden opportunity to improve spiritual quality, form noble character, strengthen social ties, and achieve forgiveness of sins. Hopefully we can make the most of the month of Ramadan to get closer to Allah SWT and achieve His blessings.